Welcome to Whistler. Can't get much higher than this today. Karen, John, here we are at your wedding. How does that feel?
Finally.
Yeah, it's been a minute, yeah.
Do you both enter into this relationship freely of your own accord without any legal impediment to marriage?
We do.
Karen, mi hermosa princesa. We've been through many adventures and have changed so much. But with every year, I've fallen more and more in love with you. With your smile, your strength, and your love for life. You drive me to be a better person every day.
I would like to take a minute to acknowledge where we are right now, to recognize the natural beauty of our surroundings, the mountains, the glacier we landed on, this incredible view.
¿Qué más?
Good. Yo?
¿Te gusta?
Está bonito. Yo sí, sí, bonito.
Solamente para tú y yo. Han sido 13 años de aventuras, 13 años de muchos altibajos, pero malos buenos. You're my life partner. You feel like home. Me encanta todo lo que hemos hecho y de verdad que yo me paso. Te amo con todo mi corazón y este día ha sido perfecto. Y gracias por escogerme, gracias por seguir este camino, por tener la mente tan abierta y muchas veces decir que sí, así sea un poquito de resistencia, pero seguir viviendo la vida according to our own terms.
John, do you take Karen to be your wife, offering her your love and encouragement, your trust and respect as you create your future together?
I do.
Karen, do you take John to be your husband, offering him your love and encouragement, your trust and respect as you create your future together?
I do.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
I promise to be there for you always and love you deeply. I promise to keep making you laugh, supporting your dreams, and feeding you a steady supply of steaks. I will forever be the Clyde to your Bonnie. No matter what life throws at us, I've got you. Damn.